Hi everybody, so I'm really excited to show you guys this Revolution calendar, advent calendar. I just look how magical this looks. So I just think this is such a cute calendar. I don't really wear this makeup. I know I've said that before. I don't, but I think this is so cute. I love the colour and the stars. And look, I said it was magical and I didn't even know it's actually called Magical Advent Calendar. And yeah, let's open this. Open the calendar. Let's open the calendar. Oh, hi there. You can see me. Okay, so number one. Wow, check that out. So, what is this going to be? So let's go. So this is a blusher. This is called Blush Bomb, and yeah, so it's a blusher. So see, and it's like this color. Number two, number two, number two, number two, number two. So this looks pretty nice, and this is called Golden Girl. I'm like, Golden Girl? I mean, honestly, that's how it says it. It's like G-A-L. It's like G-A-L. So I love this. This is such a pretty shade. You can see that side. And it's Beam Bright Silk Touch Highlighter. So it also came with an Xmas gift, £5 off, which is pretty cool as well. This is like such a cute calendar, honestly. Revolution, you've did a really good job of this. So this is number 3. this is definitely getting me in the Christmas spirit. So this is a lipstick, and it's not, does it got a shade? White Wedding, it's called, number 4. And this is Raise the Bar highlighter. Another highlighter, which I'm not mad about. This is really pretty. Like, swatch. So it's like that colour. So we're gonna do number 5. And this is a eyeliner. And it's a white eyeliner. Number 6. We have a like a bronze kind of packaging here. Wow, this is so nice. This is a Shimmer Balm lip gloss. So there you go. This is so pretty. Honestly, I cannot wait to try this stuff on. It smells so nice. This one. This is in a paper. Wow, I actually really need an eyebrow brush. So this is a pink eyebrow brush. I actually really need one of these because I want to buy the Huda Beauty palette, the icy one. Number 8. It's this one. This is a eye shimmer. A liquid eyeshadow. It's like that colour. This is like very Christmassy. I'll probably put this on one of the days. Number 9. Another bronzy packaging. This is a Nivea lipstick and it's called Icon Nude. It's called Icon Nude. It's that colour. I like that. I think this is another brush. Yep. This is another eyeshadow brush. Another eyeshadow brush. Number 11. This is this is so cute. So it's a powder blush and it's called Ballerina. Like the name for this is just adorable. I think this is like my favorite so far. Like, so cute. Ballerina, 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 ballerina. So this is 12. This feels like a bigger one. Let's have a look what it is. Oh, how adorable is that? This is the banana baking powder. This is like the cutest thing ever. This calendar is just probably rated the best though. So cute. This is 16. This is so cute. I love these. These are like my favorite. This is my favorite, the mini ones. Honestly, I feel like I missed out so many now. Like, I'm thinking, how stupid am I? 22, 22, 22, it's here. 22. And this is a lip gloss. This is a lip gloss. Wow, that smells so good. I never know what like it smells like. That's what it's called, matte lip gloss. I actually really want to try this color because I just love like brown kind of colors. Let me know if you want me to do a video trying all this on. Okay, there we go, this one. This is so nice. I just love the pink colors. This is called Queen. This, honestly, I keep saying it, I know, but this is such an adorable calendar. If you will need to get a gift for someone, I highly recommend getting this. I mean, wow. So this is a lip liner. I've actually never in my life tried a pink lip liner. I have no idea what this would look like, but yeah. So it's this one. Open this. I don't know how I missed 17, but I did. So this is 17. And it is a mirror. Oh wow, look at this. It's a mirror. So cute. Oh, there's me. Hi. So this felt 16 as well. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. I can't count. I actually needed one of these because my other ones are just like, yeah, run out. It's like so cute. Tap 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 tap. Look at that. Oh my god, so cute. Is here. look at this. This is a mini reloaded. This is an eyeshadow palette. Yeah. So pressed powder. Oh, okay, so it's pressed powder. Oh, there's the colours. All of those ones. It's like, it's so cute. I could really give this to my mom for Christmas or something because it's just adorable. Okay, so I hope that you like this video, and honestly, I am very impressed. I'm very impressed by this. And I can't wait to gift some of these to some friends and family. Yeah, I love it. Okay, thank you guys. Good night.